There. So you want to know how you can change your mouse sensitivity or DPI on your Mac. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your system settings just like that. Once you've done that, you need to simply go ahead and look for mouse or trackpad right over here. So as you can see, it's right over here. And once you've clicked on that, now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this point and click option. And then you can simply go ahead and change the tracking speed or click firm or light right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. But for true DPI control on gaming or specialty mice, install the manufacturer's software like Logitech G Hub or Razer Synapse to access granular DPI settings and profile. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.